ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم الأمين الرؤوف الرحيم. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Dear audience, respected teacher, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is the simple life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As you know, if we compare the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam before his mission, as a prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had no financial worth. As a successful and reputed merchant, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam drew was successful and comfortable income. Let us browse the following saying on his life. Sahal ibn Sa'd, one of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam companion, said, "The Prophet of the God did not see bread made from fine flour from the time God sent him as a prophet until he died." Dear audience, Hazrat Aisha says, the matter of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on which he slept was made of leather stuffed with the fiber of the dead palm tree. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived this hard life till about Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived this hard life until about although the Muslim. The greater part of the Arabian Peninsula was Muslim before his mission. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.